Hi friends, today I want to show you the different planners and journals that I will be using next year. Here's where I will make notes about things that I'm doing, liking, watching, reading or cooking at this moment in time. I can also write things that I'm grateful for each day and small wins or achievements. I use this one to write about fun experiences and adventures. I also like adding positive quotes, motivational messages, and inspiring thoughts and ideas. It will be nice to look back at these two notebooks a few years from now and see what my life was like at that moment. This is the one I will use for my Bible study, and I will write my favorite scriptures and what I learned from them. For the following months, I will be using a digital planner instead of a notebook for writing daily tasks. This way I can write as many tasks and notes as I want and not have to worry about wasting paper or not having enough space to write for each day. I like to use the GoodNotes app because I can upload my own calendars and write on them using my Apple Pencil. I use Notion for planning my goals and projects. Here is also where I keep any collections and lists that I want to always keep for reference. It's also great for managing my budget and my grocery lists. It's really useful for me to write my events and appointments on my Google Calendar instead of a notebook, since I can use it on my computer while I work and on my phone while I'm out. I also like that I can make changes in my schedule easily and get reminders for important events. Right now I don't feel like I need to keep a notebook that is filled with boring tasks and things that I have no interest in ever reading again. I'd rather save that space for a notebook that has interesting and fun things about my life. I'll try it for a few months and see how it goes. These are some of my favorite pens and markers that I will be using these months. Will you be using a bullet journal next year? Tell us in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.